Okay. Okay, so here in fifth experiment, the first program we will look into converting decimal to ASCII. So first here in this program, they are using packed BCD. That is packed BCD in the sense the 8-bit number is separated into two decimal value. That is the decimal value ranges from 0 to 9. Okay. So this 0 to 9, see here, for example, here it is a 56 is your data. Okay, as of it is loading in the form of hexa, but the 0 to 9, if it is a decimal or hexa, both are same. So here the packed BCD in the sense we have two digits. So one digit, the 5, we have to take the equivalent. This is decimal. The equivalent hexa, that is ASCII value for 5 is ASCII value for 5 is 35 and for 6 is 36. Okay, so this is which is my input, you should know. So this is your input. The 5 and 6 is my input and my output is 35 and 36, which is my ASCII output. So this you should have. See here, you can, for better understanding, you can find out that the 5 will be your second, that is your lower nibble. 6 will be your lower nibble of your output. Okay, lower nibble of your output. That you should keep in mind always. So how they are performing to obtain this? So first what they are doing is, I will tell you, they are taking this 5 value outside. Okay, how they will be masking the 6. Okay, the first point is taking this 5 separately and masking the 6. Okay, how we can perform? Simple, by taking 56, we can mask this 6 by the value 0f. Sorry, f0. F0. If you can easily mask by performing AND logic. You can do AND logic so that if it is a 0, this entire portion will be masked. This will be masked so that we can easily take out this 5 outside. The output will be 50. Okay. Now, what the algorithm you have to develop similar way. First thing, you have to perform AND logic. This would be your first step. The second step, just swap it this. These two you should swap. The resultant of that is 50H, you just swap it. If you swap, now the answer will be 05. Okay, so that here you can see that this 5 is here. So approximately you got the result. So before you should have 3. How to get 3? Simply by performing 30 OR logic. If you perform 30 OR logic, so that your result will be 35. Okay. So now this 35 is going to your result now, which you can store in the respective any of the memory address. So here the input address they have used RAM, internal RAM, and output address is stored in the external RAM. So they have used in such a way. Okay, you can store in internal RAM also. It's up to you. It depends on the question. Okay, right. So this is the operation to convert decimal to hexadecimal. First step is this. The second step is swapping. Third step is performing logical operation. So you got the, that is ASCII value for 5. That is, you have converted your 5 is 35. First thing you have completed. Now similar way for 56, same, you have to remove, you have to take it 6 separately. Similar way you can perform AND logic. That is 56. In order to mask 5, you can use 0F and you can perform AND logic. So if you do that, you'll be getting 06 now. Okay. So here my lower nibble is 6. I don't want to swap it, so that I can directly perform OR logic with 30, so that I'll be getting 36. So this data we can directly push into another location. So this is the operation happening. Okay, this you should understand. Let us see each and every instruction if you want. Same thing I will explain now. See, I will I will explain. See, first in 50H location, there we have my data 56H. So I'm just moving this 50 to R0. Now I'm just having at R0, the data is moved to accumulator. Okay. Now we have taken the data in the accumulator. So accumulator is having a data 56H. Okay, we have taken the data. Okay, we have taken my first data. I want to mask my 6. 6 I should mask. To mask 6, I'm performing AND operation, which is my first step with my data. What is the data? AND logic with the accumulator with F0. F0 is my AND logic. I'm just performing AND logic. I have a data 50. I just swap it. After swapping, I just perform OR logic with my data. OR will be in accumulator. OR with 30. With data with 30, we are performing OR. My result as per this instruction, my result is 35H, which is the ASCII conversion of 5. Okay. Now, I'm going to push my value 35H to the 500H location, which is external memory. So now so that since it is external memory, we are placing my address to DPTR. Now DPTR is the memory pointer, external memory pointer. Okay. Now accumulated data is moved to that particular at DPTR. Okay. Where is that at DPTR? At 50. So that is at 5000H. The data is moved to 5000H. To load my next data for the 6, for the this value, for this 6 decimal value, equivalent ASCII value, that is 36. To load that, I'm just incrementing DPTR. Now DPTR points to 5001. Okay, fine. Okay, now we are going to perform this operation. What is the operation? At R0, we are moving to accumulator. That is 56 we are taking. 56 we are taking. We are going to mask 5. We are going to mask 5. So perform AND logic with 0F. Perform AND logic with 0F. You will get 06 is your answer. So I don't want to swap it. So I want to do OR logic only with my result. So perform OR logic with, that is a result with the 30. 30 is with 30. I'm going to perform OR logic with the resultant data, that is 6. Okay. These two data I'm going to perform OR logic. If I do, I will be getting 36 is my ASCII value for my 6. So that I can store in my next location. So the resultant data accumulator, we can move to at DPTR. Finish. I'll clear this. So from this, so I have explained the operation, it seems. So nothing. First we have to do for 5 value. First we have to do AND operation, swap it, do OR operation. For 6, that is lower nibble, do AND operation, do OR operation with 30, put the result in 500H location. Okay. I have explained you the operation now, so we can go to the software. Okay. So which is already, we'll stop it. We'll remove, we'll paste our own program. Okay. So we are, so we will build the program, go to debug, execute this, run this program. Where is my input data? As per my program, my data is in 50H internal memory. So internal memory 50H. Okay, this is my where my input data is stored. What is my input data as per my program? It is 56. Okay, 5, that is packed BCD. Okay. Now I will run the program. I want to see my output as per my program. My output is at external memory. If you see MOVX, then I have used DPTR. This indicates that the data is stored in the external memory. For external memory, just change it X colon, what is the address? 500H. Okay, see here you can see that it is external memory at the location 5000. Okay, now you can see your result. This is for 5 decimal value. This is decimal value. And this is ASCII value. 35 is the ASCII value. And for 36 is 6, the equivalent decimal value. Okay. So the step-by-step operation you must know. Otherwise, it is very difficult. But it's very easy only. No, nothing difficult. You can easily develop. No, right? So from decimal, we have find out what is the equivalent hexadecimal. Okay. Right. This is a simple program. Similar way, we will go to the next program. Okay, so here ASCII to decimal. ASCII to decimal, the same program, the same data, different data we will take. So here they are using 39, 36. See, always if you see that here 39 is your input, the equivalent decimal value is 9. So this 9 will be reflected. Okay, that you should understand. So 6, the output will be 6. This 6 will be reflected. Okay, since I'm just put these two value into a single location, so that I am just using, that is 60H, which is my decimal value, where you can see as hexadecimal value, that is different because 96 everything are same. Okay. So for 39, this is your ASCII character or ASCII value. So equivalent decimal value is 9, 6. Okay, this I should. So I have two values. I should get two value as output. So these two values, if you want, you can place it in different location, but we can place it in a single location. They are placed as a packed BZD value. They are placed. Okay. Okay. So now we will see what they are trying to say. The first, we will take this 39. So we will take this 39. So what is the operation I can do so that I can mask this 3? The similar way I can do AND logic. I will perform AND logic so that I can mask 3. So that output will be 0, 9. Okay. So now I can simply swap it. Swap it is my second step. So 9, 0. Why I'm swapping is I want to place this 9 in the that is higher nipple. Okay. So that I'm just swapping. Okay. So this is my result now. This is my result now. This I am placing in one of the register for later purpose. I'll be using till this. Okay. Up to this portion. Now I will take the second data. So similar way to mask 3, so I'll be using same way 0F. So now the output will be 6 by performing AND logic. Output is 6. Okay. So which is there in the one of the register. Now we can take these two data, we can perform OR logic. That is 9006. If you perform OR logic, the output will be 96. So this you can load it into one of the location. This you can load into one of the location to the memory location. That is 96. Okay, in external memory. Okay. Now let us see the operation one by one. See now, I will explain with different thing. Okay, now move, that is, I'm just moving 50H, which is my input location, to R0. So now R0 is going to be memory pointer. Memory pointer. Okay, this is my memory pointer. It is pointing to 50H. In 50H only I have data 39. So that data 39 I'm moving to accumulator. So now I have taken my data here. 39 in the accumulator. This is in the accumulator. Okay. Now I'm going to do AND logic. I'm going to do AND logic with 0F. So my result is 09 in the accumulator. Okay, just next step. This is my first step. I'll do. Second step, I just swap it. Just swap it accumulator. If you swap this, the 9 will come to higher nipple. Okay, so as of now, in accumulator, we'll have 90. So this value I am pushing to one of the register R2 for later purpose. Okay, later purpose. So now in R2, I have 90. Okay, fine. Up to this point, we have completed. Next, we discuss about increment R0. Now the point R0 points to next location 51H. Move the data to the accumulator. As per this instruction, accumulator is having the data 36. So now accumulator is having 36. So I'm going to perform AND logic with 0F. So performing AND logic with 0F, you will be getting 06 now, which is stored in the accumulator finally. So I don't want to swap it. So now I want 36 as my answer. Just perform OR logic. Yeah. sorry, 36, right? Yeah, sorry, here 6. So now I'm going to perform OR logic with my 2 result. With that is, what is the 2 result? One is 90, another is 06. So that to combine these two, that is 9 will be reflecting here at the higher nipple and 6 will be reflecting in the lower nipple. So now we have 96. So this you can push it to external memory. How? Simply placing the address in the DPTR register. Now DPTR is going to be a memory pointer for external memory. It is not internal memory. Pointer for the external memory. This is for external. This is for internal. 2 pointers are there. Internal RAM, external RAM. So now the resultant accumulator value, you can push it to at DPTR. That is 96 is pushed to at DPTR, that is 5000H. Okay. So this is all about the program and its operation. Very simple. Take a data, first data, the equivalent value is for 39.9. Mask it 3 by using AND logic. Swap it so that you can push it to higher nibble. Just keep it as it is. The second data, you take it, perform AND logic, you take the result, and but with both the result, you are going to perform OR logic. That's it. So that you will be combinedly, you are getting BCD. That is binary coded decimal value. For 2 ASCII number, we are putting into the single location with 2 decimal value. That's it. But 2 are different. That you should understand for our understanding only. Okay. So we will take the same program. We'll copy this same program. I have explained you the operation. Okay. Now we will try to build the program. We will try to debug. So as per this program, in internal memory I, the location 50H. In the 50H, I have my input. What is my input? 39 is my one of the input. I want to convert 39 into decimal value and 36 into decimal value. This I should do. I will run the program. After running my program, I'll go to external memory. Just X colon the location 500. Sorry, 5000 H. Okay, 5000 H. We will try to run this. We will check out whether answer is coming or not as per the program. I will debug. Work it. We'll run the program. Yes, actually here there is a problem with building the program. Is there any syntax error? We will check. .exe file. So here we will copy paste it. So as per the program, we try to build once, check out whether zero error is coming. Then we will debug the program. So go to the program internal memory. That is the location. It is 50H actually. So here I am just giving two input. One is 39. Another is 36. 36. So which is my 36. So which is my ASCII value. Okay. So now I will try to run this program and we will check out in the external memory. I have started. Yes. So we'll go to external memory. The location 500. So here you can see your result. That is 96. So 9 is for 39 and 6 is for 36. So this is your ASCII. This is your ASCII. So for input 39, for input 36, your output is 9. So 9 is decimal and 6 is another decimal. So two decimal values are packed inside a BCD. Okay. So this is what we say as a packed BCD value. So in questions they may ask, they will confuse you. Packed BCD. Okay, so we have seen that just conversion of decimal to ASCII, and this is the program for ASCII to decimal. Okay, fine. So just understand the operation. Everything is very simple.